Hey, Leah here, and welcome to the Career Development Center wired to you from the comfort of your own room. The CDC aims to be your one-stop shop for all your professional necessities. Now let's hear from some of our peer career assistants from all around the world on how they have used the CDC to help fulfill their career needs.
Hello, my name is ESTEFHANI, and I like to take advantage of the advising appointments at the CDC, whether it's to go over my resume, my cover letter, prepare for an interview, or discuss next professional steps for my career. I find advising appointments the most useful as they offer useful resources to support my unique professional goals.
This is Maggie, and I don't know what I would have done without LEAH funding. Since my summer internship wasn't paid, LEAH funding helped me pay for food, housing, and transportation, so I could gain valuable experience to explore my interests and become competitive in the future.
My name is LUCIANY. Handshake is an important platform for career resources. In addition to allowing me to filter job and internship postings by area and industry, it lets me apply very easily. It's also where I can self-schedule advising appointments that Stephanie mentioned earlier. Plus, where all the CDC's programs and links to resources live, including employer and alum information sessions.
KUSHA this side. Even though we're not on campus, the Career Center workshops and seminars bring students together to discuss important professional tools. The last seminar I attended was a collaboration with the MCLEOD Center to go over the crucial details of OPT and CPT and how to discuss work authorization with your prospective employer. And since it was over Zoom, it was recorded and sent to me for future reference.
So, want to check out any of these resources? Follow the links at the end of this video or feel free to reach out to any of us with any other questions. Also, don't forget to keep an eye out for the CDC newsletter for any other upcoming events. We'll be back soon with another video, so stay tuned. Bye!